Vesica Piscis, Invocation. Divine forces of creation, I call upon the sacred union of the masculine and feminine within me. As I open the gateway of the Vesica Piscis, I awaken the eternal flow of creation and divine remembrance. I honour the resurrection of the feminine essence rising now. Softly, surely, she returns. May the sacred marriage of polarities guide me into deeper understanding, embodiment, and transformation. I reclaim my place now in the sacred dance of creation. My energetic root, the foundation point of my multidimensional being, grounds me into this moment. As I forge a renewed connection to Earth, I ignite the ancient life force that fuels all that I am. Here, I stand at the still point, where light and shadow, form and formlessness, merge as one. In this holy space, I embody connection, stability, and sovereign empowerment. We merge as one infinite field of living creation. And so it is. It is done. It is done. It is done. Aho, aho, aho.